If you're looking for the best eyelash curlers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler. This curler works especially well for people who have large eyes. It isn't too curved or too flat. It provides a natural-looking curve to the lashes without pinching your eyelids. With just a few gentle squeezes, your lashes will be curled all day long. Though Tweezerman is a well-known brand, they've missed the mark when it comes to the design of their handles. The holes are too small for those with big fingers and are difficult to use if you have arthritis in your hands. If you have large hands or arthritis, try the Petunia Silicone Eyelash Curler instead. On the other hand, this tool is very durable and is known to last for years. Furthermore, the design keeps you from pressing your lashes too hard and damaging them. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Kevyn Aucoin the Eyelash Curler. Kevyn Aucoin is a well-known name in the beauty industry, so it's no surprise that he's created a solid tool for curling your eyelashes. While this certainly looks like your average eyelash curler, the quality is there. It will give you a beautiful, natural-looking curl rather than crimping your eyelashes. No weird L-shaped lashes here. Not only that, it's able to get close to your lash line without pinching your skin and will work for most eye shapes. The tool is comfortable to hold in the hand and is made of stainless steel, so it shouldn't cause any allergic reactions. Stainless steel is also a durable metal, and this eyelash curler is known to last for years, especially if you can find a suitable replacement pad. The number 3 position is held by Brilliant Beauty Eyelash Curler. With this curler, you will get a naturally defined curve to your eyelashes rather than any crimps or kinks. The silicone strips inside are firm enough to curl your lashes in seconds, but not so firm that they'll break or cut them. If your eyes tend to suit curlers with a strong arc, then you'll also find that this curler reaches all of your lashes, even those at the outer corner. The shape of this curler is exceptionally curved. If you know your eyes work better with flatter eyelash curlers, then check out the JAPONESQUE curl instead. The handles on this product could use some improvement. They are your typical scissor-like handle that your fingers slide into. The issue is that they do not have any rubber or silicone lining, so they can be a bit slippery and may press uncomfortably into the thumb during use. Next at number 4 we have Surratt Relevee Lash Curler. The silicone pads on this curler are soft and cushiony, so they won't damage your eyelashes or rip them out. Instead, they feel very gentle and comfortable against the eye and will not pinch your eyelids. They are also designed in such a way that you will get a natural curve to your lashes rather than an L-shaped cake. The shape of this curler will work for most people, but it is especially good for round or protruding eyes. The way it is curved makes it easy to get every single lash on the first go, even those tricky ones in the outer corner. On the other hand, if you have small, deep-set eyes, then this curler may not be the right fit for you, and it may pinch your lids. The number 5 position is held by Uemura Eyelash Curler. This Uemura Eyelash Curler will work on most eye shapes and creates a nice curved lash without any pinching. It does not kink or crimp the lash, and it won't rip them out either. You only need to clamp it for about 10 seconds to achieve the perfect curl. The tool is easy to grip and gets the job done without requiring a lot of pressure, so it's quite easy on the hand. The curler is pretty durable as well and will likely last a few years. This is a great curler, but you may want to exercise some caution if you decide to buy on Amazon. A number of reviewers believe they received fake Uemura replicas. It can be difficult to tell if it's a knockoff when they are made to look identical, but watch out for products that are poorly made. The number 6 position is dominated by JAPONESQUE Curl Eyelash Curler. If traditional metal eyelash curlers are too curved to fit your eye shape, then this JAPONESQUE curler may be perfect for you. It is still curved, but it is far less pronounced. Because of the design of this curler, it's much less likely to pinch your eyelid than its traditional metal counterparts. The shape also makes it easier to curl the lashes at the outer corner of the eye. It won't rip lashes out, break them, or leave them with an ugly crimp. It creates a nice, long-lasting curl. It doesn't require a lot of pressure, which is a good thing because it breaks more easily if you apply too much. Because this product is not shaped the same as a traditional metal curler that opens and closes like scissors, it's actually rather compact and travel-friendly. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Patini Silicone Eyelash Curler. This curler creates a natural-looking curve to the lash without pinching the eyelids. It also won't rip out, break, or otherwise damage the lashes. You can curl your lashes in seconds and it will last for most of the day. Though this Petunia curler works well for most eye shapes, it isn't the best for small or deep-set eyes. The handles on this are a dream for people who have arthritis. It is not the traditional scissor-style curler with finger holes. Rather, there are 2 handles that you squeeze together. This makes it a little easier for people with arthritic hands and fingers to use. Not only that, but the handles are wrapped in a thick silicone to give you a good grip. Even if you don't suffer from arthritis, this tool is very comfortable to use. The number 8 position is held by COSSAGE Eyelash Curler. This COSSAGE Eyelash Curler does a great job of curling the lashes without crimping them. It also won't pinch your eyelids, but be careful not to rest it against your cheek or it may pinch that. You'll find that your lashes are also safe from being ripped out. This curler definitely provides a gentle, positive curling experience. The finger holes for this product are covered by a non-slip grip which makes it really easy to hold, even for those who suffer from arthritis. The thick grips do make it weigh a bit more than the average curler, but they prevent finger pain and make the product feel more sturdy. Because the metal of this curler is black, it can be somewhat difficult to see if all of your lashes are inside. It also comes with a pair of tweezers. Next at number 9 we have Basic Concepts Eyelash Curler Kit. The Basic Concepts Eyelash Curler does a great job of curling the lashes without kicking them. It won't pinch your eyelids or cut, break, or tear out any of your lashes either. It doesn't take much pressure and it'll have your eyelashes curled in about 5 seconds. Although this tool has the same shape as traditional curlers, the rose gold finish makes it feel just a bit more luxurious. However, because the handles are metal, some people may find them a bit uncomfortable. If you prefer a curler with a cushioned non-slip grip, check out the COSSAGE Eyelash Curler. This curler also comes with a pair of tweezers and a small set and pouch. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Covergirl Makeup Masters Eyelash Curler. This is a solid curler for a cheap price tag. It won't rip out your eyelashes, break them, or create kinks because the rubber strip is nice and soft. It leaves behind a rather natural curl and doesn't require much pressure. Those with deep-set eyes have had especially good luck with this curler. The shape is suitable for most eye types but may be a bit small for big eyes. Unlike many other curlers of the same style, Covergirl has added rubber grips to the handles. This is a nice touch that makes them more comfortable to hold. However, those with large fingers might find the openings a bit small. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.